Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgo Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. This children's coloring book, PLR package, allows anyone to create and sell children's coloring books without any hassle. It comes with high-quality coloring pages covering many marketing niches. Now, here are 5 things you should know about this PLR product. It comes with 350 plus high-quality coloring pages, 50 plus cute book covers in many popular niches, 40 plus printable children's coloring books in PDF format, 30 plus funny children's stickers, plus much more. And it's great for business owners, digital marketers, freelancers, bloggers, writers, teachers, students, and more. Now, the front end is $14.90 for the whole kit and caboodle, but there is more with upsells. There's children's coloring book PLR deluxe pack for $29.90. There is a PLR social boost feed and story templates for $49, and there's 2,000 plus Doremi slides, a presentation bundle with PLR for $39. Now watch for the downsells, because you'll save some money, but you will get less product. Want to know more? Well, click the second link below and get the full story. And don't forget to check out the first link below, and that is how to earn $10,000 monthly. And you can find that in the first link below. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain recurring income online with ease, and earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system.